And if you need a quick loan to pay school fees or to buy a jersey so you can join us at the fun park to watch the Ghana game, Fido has excellent news for you. They've extended their maximum loan amount to 2,500 Ghana cedis. You can start with 200 cedis, pay your first loan, and if you pay on time, faithfully, you get to rise higher and you can get up to 2,500. Download the Fido app from the Google Play Store and you get a quick loan in just 15 minutes right to your phone. You don't need to speak to anybody. All you need is your Ghana card and a mobile money wallet. They always advise that you should be on the alert for fraudsters because there's some evil people out there who are defrauding people, pretending to be agents. Fido is asking you to be aware. They will not ask you to pay any money before giving you any loan. And anyone who asks you for money, send the number to the police. That person is a scammer. They have to be arrested. How do you get this loan? You dial *711 *5555 hash and you can apply right now, even before the show ends, even before the next interview ends. That money can be right in on your mobile money wallet. Just download the Fido app, Fido app, directly from Google Play Store and you will get your money. So Fido have joined us in the studio. They're about to explain how this works specifically. And I have with me who is the head of corporate affairs, corporate operations. Is it just operations? Head of operations at Fido, right?
Exactly.
Terrance? Exactly. So Terrance, welcome. He's here with Solomon Agbemenya, who is head of wallet. Aha. It's the guy I like from Fido. so you keep the money and he tells you who to send it to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the policy and the implementer.
You can call it that.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So tell us about how this whole concept was conceived to bring about this Fido loan scheme.
Well, it's let's just say an average Ghanaian driver usually would go through his day trying to pick passengers and stuff, might not have the necessary capital to start the day off with. So there is an easy way that we thought could actually meet the lower end of the Ghanaian populace. What we are saying is that you will be able to get easy access to the minimum amount that you want in a day. Given it that you want to just buy fuel to just start off your day, given it that you feel I want to buy a ticket to go and watch a game, easy things that we are looking at serving the Ghanaian populace with. So Fido loans is not one that you would have to walk into a bank and fill up paperwork and have to bring in a guarantor or have to bring in a collateral or even have some come into. You would only have to go on the mobile app and then fill in your personal details to be able to acquire the loan. It is geared towards having this financial inclusion agenda fulfilled, but in recent times we've been faced with a lot of problems from leave the rebranding for Solomon to speak about first, then we go into the fraud aspect.
Okay,
as well.
cool. So rebranding. What I've known of Fido only a short while now, and you're already rebranding. Give us time to get used to Fido first, and you're already rebranding. What's that about?
Okay, so probably you've not paid attention in the past, but we've been around for the past
because
8
now
years.
that you brought this here, I know.
Yeah, we've been around for the past 8 years, but we've mastered the art of credit, and we've done this so well. And like Terrance has said that, our mission is to drive the culture of digital money in Africa. Now we focus on the underserved, those who are most likely not be able to walk into the banking hall to be able to access credit. They are our focus. Fido is pink. The app is pink. We've rebranded. Whenever you see pink, think Fido. And also the app is friendlier. It's simpler. It's faster. It's quicker, and it's very much optimized. I mean, imagine going to an app that is not so free to use, but this is quite much more optimized. You can actually enjoy the usage. Now, we have not only rebranded, we've inched up our maximum capital that you can access to 3,000 Ghana cedis. Awesome. So you earlier said 2,500, but now you can access up to 3,000 Ghana cedis. So that's great news. So
it is great
yes.
news.
Yeah.
And this is for the person who has been able to show by paying back consistently. So it's a lot like the credit card system.
Yes.
You spend the money, you pay back, and then you're giving more money.
Fantastic. So it's a ladder system. So for a first timer, you can access 200 Ghana cedis. But while you repay back your loan in time, then you rise up the ladder to be able to access much more credit, all the way to 3,000 Ghana cedis.
Right. So you've learned some lessons along the way. What were the hard ones?
I think that so what we have been able to achieve over the period has been to do our homework very well, rely so much on data and research to be able to offer credit to customers that are credit worthy. Now, our lessons learned in the past would largely be what the fraudsters are happening to do to us now, and that's why we are here today as well, to want to set out a word of caution to them.
Right.
But regarding customers that we've done business with, most of our customers have paid back on time, and then reason why we are still in business.
So in Ghana, do we have this credit rating system where a person, so I can access my credit score? Do we have a system like that in Ghana? Or are you building a network or a database of that sort in this country?
So as part of the things that we've part of our rebrand, we've introduced what we call the Fido score.
Okay.
So the Fido score is not too different from what you know as the credit score. So with the Fido score, you're able to access credit faster and probably a higher amount as compared to what you could have accessed. Now, for us at Fido, the Fido score allows you to be able to keep a good financial history. One of the ways you'll be able to do that will most likely be the amount of times you transact on the app, you being able to pay back your loans on time. Sometimes we might ask for you to submit to upload your utility bill or any other financial data. All of these things are meant to improve what we call the Fido score. So once you have a good Fido score, you'll be able to access credit faster and a higher amount.
Right. So now let's talk about the Abon Samfo
The Yanums.
and are they Yanums? Well, on behalf of all the Ya people who are my friends, Valerie, Miriam, it's not you people we are talking about, but the evil ones. So scammers are taking advantage of this, and they call people and they say what?
Well, so earlier it was just go to the Facebook page of financial institutions like Fido, and ask customers, inbox customers to say, oh, I can help you with 100, let's say 10,000 cedis loan, and you only have to
Which
pay.
is more than Fido would pay to a customer.
Exactly. So they would ask you to upfront some deposits, then they assure you of those amounts. What we are saying is that you cannot deal with agents. We don't have any agents that you deal with. So it is strictly, fully, 100% digital. You go on the app, download the service from the application from there, and then apply. You don't need anyone's help. What we're also saying is that Fido doesn't have any branch offices where you can walk to and then somebody will take your phone and then go and apply. No, we don't. We will direct you to the app. Even if you come to the office, nobody can actually guarantee a loan facility for you. We do not take deposits. Also know that the Fido Facebook page is verified. So any other page, just in last week, we had to actually report about 63 other Facebook accounts. That obviously means that we are doing something good. So people are actually
monitoring.
Yes. It's become a hindrance for most financial institutions to be able to grow because of these fraudsters. And we have in recent times the trend has moved from actually just going into the inbox of customers, but it's gone into actually doing TV advertisements on TV stations that I'm suspecting, and based on our investigations, are not even registered.
They're advertising on television.
Yes.
Falsely.
Yes.
Using your name.
Yes. And just to mention a few TV stations that
nope. For legal reasons, we'll take that up with the legal team. But people are advertised not on GTV because station of the niche and all that. But they've actually run adverts on other TV stations purporting to be you.
Yes, and it mostly goes like they going onto our Facebook pages, downloading our brand materials, and then slapping up some numbers in there to be able to convince people that they are actually.
So what are you doing about these things?
Well, first, we've done a lot of awareness. Disclaimers have been sent just to make sure that we are doing the right thing. We've done a lot of communications with the authorities like the NCA, the National Media Commission, and also dealing with the police to narrow down on a few of them. Funny enough, after our reports, some customers got very furious about the incident of they being duped into sending money and stuff, and they actually went to one of the TV stations.
Okay.
Yes, they
asking for their money.
Exactly. So I think it's just a matter of time. All these stations will come to.
But you run adverts though on television, legitimate Fido TV adverts.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how can people tell between the real and the fake?
So Fido will not ask you for any deposits. Anybody asks you for deposits, it obviously means that it's a lie. Fido doesn't have any agents. So anybody walks to you to say, "Oh, I'm from Fido. I want to help you with your loan application." It is a lie. We don't have agents. We don't send anybody to, apply for customers. What we do have are on activations, the usual activations you have in the market space, just to make sure that we are communicating to the minimum, the barest minimum for easy understanding, like the market lady who cannot actually understand the English very well. And that is the reason we actually did the rebranding, just to make sure that the app is so simple. Enter your phone number followed by your Ghana card. Those are the two things that would guarantee you in there. Then you follow up with the KYC questions, which are basic things about you: where you work, what do you do, how much you earn. They are self-service contents, so you should be able to apply easily when you're on the app.
Right. So now, Mr. Wallet, let's talk about how you get the money.
Okay.
So someone downloads the Fido app, enters their name, their Ghana card number, and what happens? What's the process? Walk us through it.
So for those who probably are new to the app, you can go to the Google Play Store to download the Fido app for free. Now, once you have downloaded the app, you undergo registration. Now, you need to register with your Ghana card and ensure your mobile money wallet is also registered as well. Okay. Now, you undergo through a few KYC, like Terrance has said, your details, and then just in under 15 minutes, your requested loan amount is credited to your mobile money wallet.
You don't need collateral.
You don't need collateral. You don't need any guarantor. Yeah. Just under 15 minutes from the point of downloading the app, going through KYC, and then making a loan request, you get your loan disbursed to your wallet. Sharp.
So when you have something to report, who do you call? Who should you contact in case some scammer tries to sell Fido to you in an illegitimate way?
So we have numbers that you can call, 0242 436 831. 0242 436 831. You call them, you have a customer support agent ready to assist you. And if there is a queue, you would have to wait a bit. Okay. Then we get to serve you better. We also have emails, info@fido.money. You send your email, if you have any leads that we can use in actually tracking down these criminals, we will take it and then forward it to the right authorities to assist us.
Right. Any more you want to share with the public? Any other information? Final comments? Both of you, quick one, then we wrap.
Yes. So Fido is now pink. We are still on a mission to drive financial inclusion. I want to implore all entrepreneurs, individuals to take advantage of credit from Fido and expand your businesses.
Right. Terrance?
Well, Fido offers you endless opportunities, and we would hope your feedbacks gets us to better the service for you.
Awesome. So Fido offering you some financial solutions here, up to 3,000 Ghana cedis from the initial 200 Ghana cedis, and if you faithfully pay, you will get to rise higher up to get to that maximum threshold of 3,000 Ghana cedis. Just download the Fido app, Fido app, on Google Play Store. and you can also apply, or go to your phone and dial *711 *5555 hash. You can also apply through there. Remember that there are scammers out there, and if you have any information about a scammer, if someone contacts you pretending to be a Fido agent, you can call this number 0242 436 831. There's a customer support system there that